Hi lovelies, I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to another mini tutorial by me, HairByVillsstudio, and today I'm going to be doing my fave Bohemian Passion twists. So to prep my client's hair, I first spray it with heat protectant, and the one I'm using here is a Tresemme heat protectant. I spray that all over and then I go in with my blow dryer. And even though my client's hair is pretty much straight, the blow dryer just gives it a nice base to prepare and start the twists on. You know what I mean? So the hair that I'm using today is water wave hair in the brand Cherish. That's one of my favorite brands for passion twists, and we have it widely available here in the UK, so that's what I use. So I'm prepping the hair by fluffing it out. I fluff it out because it just helps for my twist to look more defined, and that's what I'm going for, more defined, juicy, bouncy twists. So I love to prime the hair with my gel wax called Red One. This is a new one that I've used. I've changed gel waxes over my time doing hair because the formulas are always changing. So this is a really nice formula and it works really well with my client's hair. I tend to do mostly afro hair, so you know it works really well for that and just helps get the texture that I want in order to do my braids on. So yeah, that's all from me in terms of commentary. Please enjoy the video, and if you like it, please remember to subscribe, comment, like and share. And yeah, can't wait to talk to y'all in the next video. Enjoy.
Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. No baby, never had someone to show me a love. And I wanna say, I never knew there was a love like this before. A love like this before, no. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. All the things you mean to me. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love. So baby, try to understand. I'll be crazy. I should come to me myself. And I like the way you walk and the way you walk, the way you talk. Know just what you do to me. I never love like this before. A love like this before, no. Never had someone to show me a love. I never had a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. Never knew. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. No baby, never had someone to show me a love. And I wanna say, I never knew there was a love like this before. A love like this before, no. Never had someone to show me a love
the backup as well.